Do you think we have too many books?
Yes!
In this video, I'm going to do 3 things. We are going to KONMARI our children's books. We are going to use the Minimalist Mom's method for minimizing kids' clothes. And I'm going to start to pare down the homeschool supplies because one of my friends just became a first grade teacher in a low-income school district and needs stuff. So I'm so excited because I have someone that I can gift these things forward to who really, really needs it. And she has 27 kids in her class. And so I'm excited to give her a lot of stuff. If you are new to this series, I'll put links for part 1 and part 2 up here. We are a homeschool family, and it turns out I'm a hoarder. I didn't know that. I honestly thought I was going to make a cleaning and decluttering video, and it turned into a psychological recognition of some habits.
Get out of here. This room is depressing.
But I gotta tell you, I think doing the KonMari method on children's books in our house is going to be huge. It's going to free up this entire shelf, which will facilitate me actually minimizing our homeschool, which is, as I said before, a situation.
Right now, and don't let your eyes off the prize. I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down, and that's it.
Working. I'm kind of past that point of worrying about the guilt and hanging on to it. I've let go of a lot of it. So, look, clean counter. Check it, except for my computer.
I really need
and the mermaid, which the dog ate, and I have the mermaid up there so I can remember to give it to my mom tomorrow.
And I said,
thank you for all those that suggested that I get the kids involved. They really wanted to participate. It actually turned into a fun activity for all of us. A sticker for each kid. I'm going to make piles for the kids that they can keep in their room. I'm going to make a pile to give to my co-op crew. And this is the donate bin.
I've seen those faces, I've heard all the lies, but you ain't gazing.
Somebody in the comments of my second video had said, focus on the here and now. Do you really need it in the here and now? If you don't, get rid of it. I had found that advice very, very helpful when going through this process. If I needed it in the here and the now, I really gave it some thought and said, does this bring us joy? And I really held every book, looked through it, and decided which ones we were going to keep and which ones we were going to give away. These are the keep bins, one for each of my kids, and it's going to stay in their rooms. And so now I'm just taking their piles and situating it into their bins. In this last bin, I'm keeping all of our family favorites, ones that we read over and over, ones that are just really special to us.
So let your guard down.
even believe it. It's happened. I have a clear space. So this is the basket that I showed you of the family favorites. And these are my books, not the kids' books. I have to start to situate all my books together so that I can KonMari my own books. But look! Here's the other thing. This is the work that I did in video 2 for games and puzzles. All games and puzzles fit in this one cabinet. And up here, it's all bare. How amazing is that? So I have this bare shelf here. I have this shelf empty. And all games and puzzles are in here. And they used to be, well, all over. Is the mess still here? You betcha. Right? But I feel really, really good about the progress that I've made in the last 2 weeks. I got games and puzzles pared down and into the cabinet. I have that top shelf cleared, and then that whole back shelf only has one basket of family favorites and a stack of my own books, which I have not yet KonMari'd. So I'm feeling really good. Here's what I ended up for donation. These baskets were so heavy. So then we moved on to minimizing our clothes.
I've heard all the lies, but you ain't gazing on someone in denial, 'cause you want down.
So I watched a video from Minimal Mom about how to minimize your kids' clothes. So I'm gonna follow her recommendation of the magical number of 5. We're gonna start there. I'm gonna save whatever we don't use just in case that's not our magical number. Or I can pull from the pile if I need to, but otherwise this is gonna minimize laundry. I do laundry every single day anyway, so minimizing their clothes is not gonna change the frequency in which I do laundry, which is awesome. It is going to prevent clothes from being strewn all over the house. She's infamous for it. In fact, we need to check under her dresser, under her bed, and behind her door, because that's where she hides clothes. She has 3 pairs of pajamas, so I am not going to minimize her pajamas. Okay, so that's too big. I don't know what I want to do with that yet. I already am terrible at this. Yeah. 5 shirts, 5 pants, 5 dresses. Okay. Okay, here's your challenge. Are you ready? It's fall time. We need our fall clothes out. So. Uh-oh. Okay, I want you to choose 5 of your favorite dresses and give me the rest. Right here, this is the dress pile. Choose 5 favorite dresses for fall. So you pick the first 5. So put those right here. We're going to talk about those for a sec. Okay? First of all, this is too small and this is too small. And that's my hair clip that I've been looking for. Cool. And this is too small. So now you are down to 1. And this is actually, wait a minute. 5. Yep, you can wear this for fall. Sparkly unicorns. All right, we have 1 dress. All right, pick 4 more.
Okay.
These are too small. Off to a great start.
Fall.
But you have a problem. Because this is one of your favorites, isn't it? But it's not a fall one, right?
No.
Oh, not a fall dress.
Is this one too small?
Yes. Wait, no. This one's fine. You like this one?
Yeah.
Rocky's baseball. So this is a long sleeve. I'm going to let this one kind of be to the side because you need a couple of like things for layering for the next couple months.
Yeah.
This is old and weird and dirty, so you're not wearing that one.
30.
This one's good. No, that one's good. That's fine. 3. Do you like this pink one?
Yep.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm gonna allow 6 because you have this one is 7. No, we're gonna stick to the rules. Okay. So 1, 2. Okay, we did it. We stuck to
That's
it.
5.
5 for 5. High fives for 5s. Now.
Double high 5.
Double high fives. Yeah. Double high fives. Do it. Okay. So that's that. This fit you like a year and a half ago. This fits you and this fits you. So you have 2 long sleeve. I'm so happy right now. The Minimal Mom also does not fold. So we're gonna try that. Put your pink dress away. Or do you want me to hang that one in your closet for you? That's your good church dress. Do you want me to hang it? Then she and I moved on to the boys' room. The boys did not want to participate. I invited them. I wasn't expecting them to come.
Trust that have what it takes inside, 'cause you can make it too. If not says who, yeah, you can make it too. If not says who, you can make it. You had great patience, but something knocked you out. You felt your limitations and filled your mind with doubt. You wanna stay chill right now and don't let your eyes off the prize. I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down. And I said, see it in your mind, trust that have what it takes inside. 'Cause
So I did as the Minimal Mom had recommended and washed all the clothes first. So I am dealing with all of their clothes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That was easy.
And I said, see it in your mind, trust that.
Here's what I'm left to deal with. We have my daughter's clothes that were extra. We have her pile that I'm donating to her cousin who was just born. Bag of trash. And we have this pile here that's going to be donated. And this pile was my oldest son's that will fit my younger sons at some point, so I need to save it. Then we've got their drawers. So much less. They actually open and close. They didn't do that before. And it used to be that they could not find anything in their drawers, or they just took whatever was on top, and the drawers would get stuck, and so they would just put their clothes on the floor. So this is going to help facilitate keeping their rooms clean. My last goal for this week was to make a pile for my friend, the first grade teacher who needs lots of stuff. I need to think about it a little more logically as I go through it. And just do a section and say keep and donate, and then the donate pile I got to figure out who it's going to go to. But I did a first sort of I did a cursory look at stuff that would be good for first graders and grabbed some stuff for her. I'm gonna drop it off at her house for her and hope she can use it. So like a whole bunch of this has never been used. This whole section, these have never been opened. So for first grade, what I'm giving her is a hundreds board, these pocket charts. There's also a clip display, I never opened, another pocket chart, and then a word building board so she can have centers, some games, this letter building board, letter stamps with a stamper, this game for compound words, some books, some flashcards. Should be good to help her.
And filled your mind with doubt. You wanna stay chill right now and don't let your